Hi everyone, welcome to Potomac Shores, one of Northern Virginia's most desirable waterfront communities. Today we're taking a tour of the Onyx Floorplan by Ryan Homes, located right here at Potomac Shores Condo Flats in Dumfries, Virginia. But before we get too far, let me introduce myself to those who might be new to my channel. My name is Candace Noel, your Northern Virginia real estate agent with over 20 years of experience. If you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you call me first. Even when you're purchasing directly from a builder, having your own agent means someone looking out for your best interests, helping you negotiate incentives, understanding the fine print, and avoid costly surprises at closing. The builder's reps work for the builder, and I would work for you. Now let's get back to the Onyx Floorplan, which is a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offering a spacious open concept layout with about 1,500 square feet of living space. You'll notice the bright natural light, modern finishes, and a large kitchen island that's perfect for entertaining or everyday life. The owner's suite features a walk-in closet and private bath, while the second bedroom gives you the flexibility for guests, a home office, or whatever you need. You'll also appreciate elevator access, private garage parking, and low-maintenance living, all designed for comfort and convenience. And living at Potomac Shores, it's a lifestyle all in its own. You'll have access to the Shores Club and Social Barn, a fully equipped fitness barn, and 3 beautiful pools. Plus, things like Verizon Fios internet, water, sewer, trash and recycling, exterior maintenance, hazard insurance, and building and garage security are all included, making life here super easy and stress-free. At the time of this recording, the monthly fees are approximately $462 per month for the Emerald, $499 per month for the Ruby, and the Onyx and Sapphire are each $544 per month. The condos are within walking distance of the future VRE Station, the Shores Club, and the community's own Central Park, so you're close to everything you need. Prices currently range from about $435,000 to $600,000, with the Onyx floor plan between $540,000 and $600,000, depending on your options and upgrades. If you'd like to learn more about Potomac Shores, or if you're thinking about buying or building new construction anywhere in Northern Virginia, give me a call or type Potomac Shores in the comments. I'll make sure you get the best deal and a smooth, confident buying experience from start to finish.